Hello guys, I am back to this channel. Wait, so sorry for that. So I'm back, so don't be mad at me because I have now schools. Guys, I'm sorry. So the theme today is by the way, the we're making today is Jose Rizal. Jose Rizal, the Filipino national hero, okay? That's here, Jose Rizal. And then this is the here. Go to the t-shirts. We're rating here the Katupanero. Yeah, boots. And then they have like hats. Okay, this. And I'm here gun. Okay. So this was Jose Rizal. Pebras ng silanganan, halap ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay, lupang hinirang, duyang ka ng magiting, sa manlulupig, di ka pa sisiil, sa dagat at bundok, sa simuyat, langit mo'y bugaw, may dilagang dula at awit sa paglayang minamahal, ang kilisrap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagniningning, ang bituin at ahang kailan pa may di magdidilim, lupa ng araw ng hatid pagsinta, buhay ay langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya ng pagmayamang aapi ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.